Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a professional and eye-catching flyer using Canva. Whether it's for an event, a business promotion, or a special announcement, Canva makes designing quick and easy. Let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, go to Templates. You can find this at the top of the page. In the search bar, type Flyers and press Enter. You will see a variety of flyer designs appear. Choose a flyer that fits your needs. For this example, we will use the Coffee to Book flyer. Click on it to open and customize the template. We are now on the editing page. Here, we can update the flyer details to match our event or promotion. For example, if the event runs Monday to Sunday, we can adjust the days accordingly, update the time, date, and any other details as needed. If we need more space, we can add more pages to the flyer. Go through the flyer and change any text or options to make sure everything looks right and matches what we need. When we are done, click Share, then Download. We can also create a public link to share the flyer directly. The flyer is now ready to download, print, or share online. With just a few simple steps, we can create a great-looking flyer that gets our message across.